Wow, this snow cone is huge!
Can I have a bite, Miles?
Save some for the rest of us, Miles.
He got the biggest one.
My brain is frozen!
Your brain is what?
Miles, did you eat that whole snow cone in 3 bites?
Maybe.
Wait, does your brain actually freeze?
Is there ice in my head?
Your brain isn't frozen at all.
Then why does my forehead hurt?
The cold message takes a shortcut, so your brain feels it in your forehead instead.
That's why I told you. Slow down.
Grandpa, this is not the time.
Next time you get brain freeze, press your tongue to the roof of your mouth.
And maybe don't eat your snow cone like you're racing a cheetah. Big questions
Lead to big adventures!
because every day is a new adventure. See you next time with Miles and Zuri.